Welcome to Phrasal Verbs with Oscar, the verb preposition combination to make up. A phrasal verb that doesn't have much to do with dogs, but it does have 6 possible meanings. This is part 1 with 2 of the 6 meanings. The first thing that might come to mind when hearing make up, one word, also spelled makeup with a hyphen, is this. The noun form. That is a picture of a lot of makeup. The phrasal verb can be different, although the first meaning is similar. And the first meaning, 1 out of 6, of to make up is to put makeup on someone. Frida Kahlo made herself up with a distinctive style. In the first picture, you see the artist in 1929. In the second picture, you see the artist made up in 1939. Here are 2 businesses that specialize in putting makeup on people or making people up for events like weddings. The first one, Make Me Up, has a wedding portfolio where you could look at pictures of people made up for their wedding. On the second one, the company is called Make Me Up Pretty. A second meaning, 2 out of 6, of to make up may please people who think makeup makes the person wearing it look fake. This second meaning is to concoct or invent. As you can see below, it says, what is another word for make up a story? Some of the choices include lie, invent, and pretend. Children very commonly make things up. In this article, it says at the bottom, children might make up a pretend friend. Authors also make things up. J.K. Rowling made up the world of Harry Potter. And you can see in the next picture a storytelling activity for parents and children, where it says the activity is make up stories. Both of those meanings, 1 and 2, of to make up can be found in this article about the artist Cindy Sherman. You can see below it says Sherman has made it all up, made herself up, arranged the costumes, props, and lighting. In the first one, where it says Sherman has made it all up, it means she invented or created it. In the second part, it says made herself up, arranged the costumes, means to put on makeup. And in the headline, it uses both of those meanings at the same time, to make herself up with makeup and to make up a person that doesn't exist. Oscar says that is enough for today. There were not many pictures of him or any dog in this presentation. Dogs rarely make themselves up. And don't forget to watch part 2 with 4 additional meanings. Until next time, goodbye.